Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Java program to calculate the power of a number in Java. So guys, basically in this program you will learn to calculate the power of a number with and without using the power function. So this power method is being used from the math library. So apart from using this method, we will be also using the loop. So basically there are two ways in order to find the power of a number. So first of all, we will be using our loop in order to find the power of the number, and secondly we will be also using the power method that belongs to the math library in order to find the power of a number. So let's say for example we have over here the base number is 3 and exponent is equal to 4. So the result should be 81. So guys, basically how this result is 81, the logic behind finding the power of the method is the number that is the base number raised to the exponent, that is 4. So basically this expression is nothing but 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So the base number over here is being multiplied by the same base number. How many times? 4 times over here, since the exponent is 4. And this is how we are going to get the result as 81. So guys, this is the logic that we are going to use in our loop as well. So let us move to the Eclipse IDE. So over here we will be asking the user to enter two numbers. The first number will be the base number and the second number will be the exponent number. So guys, over here we will be using our scanner class. So we will use the scanner class to take the input from the user. So it is equal to new scanner over here, and then we will be providing system.in to take the input from the user on console. And over here we will ask the user to provide the base number first of all. So it is print statement, and we will ask enter base number. So user will enter the base number by using the sc.nextInt method over here. Now this base number will be stored in this base variable. Similarly, we will ask the user to enter the exponent number. So I'll simply copy and paste these lines of code over here, and then we will ask enter exponent number, and this will be stored in this exponent variable. So I'll copy this exponent is equal to sc.nextInt. So guys, we will be having base number and exponent number being entered by the user over here. Now these two numbers we have to use in order to find the power of the base number. So guys, over here we will be using our for loop in which the integer I, it will go from 1 up to I less than or equal to exponent, because that many times we need to multiply the base number, and then we have I plus plus over here. So guys, we will be having our another variable in which we will store our result. So let's say we provide the variable as int result, which is initialized as 1. So over here what we have to do is we have to use this result variable over here. It is equal to result multiplied by the base number. So guys, let's say the base number that is entered by the user, it is 3 and exponent is 4. So I will go from 1 up to 4 over here. So result initially is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3, it will be 3 that will be stored in this result variable, and then again 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9, and then again 9 multiplied by 3 will give us 27, and in the last iteration 27 multiplied by 3 will give us 81, and that is how we are going to find the power of the two numbers that is entered by the user. So when the control flow comes out of this for loop, we will be having the power of the two numbers inside this result, which we just need to print over here. So we will say the result is, so over here we have result is colon, and then we will simply print the result variable over here. Let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, enter base number is being asked to the user. So we will provide 3 as the number, and then we have enter exponent number. We will provide 4 as the number. When we press enter, it says the result is 81. That's because the result of this expression is being calculated, and then the result is 81 over here. Let us take another example. I'll run this code once again. Let's say I provide the base number as 2, and then let's say I provide the exponent number as 2 over here. So it is nothing but 2 raised to 2, for which the answer should be 4. So let me press enter over here. As you can see, the result is 4. So guys, this is the program that you can use in order to find the power of the two numbers. Simply by using the for loop, you can find the power of two numbers. Now guys, if you don't want to use the loop, what is the other method? We can use the power method from the math library. So over here, simply we need to have one expression in our print statement. So we will say the result is, and instead of this result, what we will do is we will import the math library. So as you can see, when we provide the math library and we press Ctrl and space, Eclipse is suggesting us this math library that belongs to the java.lang package. So we will use this package over here, followed by dot, and then we have something called as POW, which takes two numbers over here. So guys, we will be using this method over here, and in this case the base and exponent needs to be provided. So we have first parameter as base and second parameter as exponent over here. So as you can see, this is the expression that we have to use. It is basically math.power, and then the first parameter will be the base number, second parameter will be the exponent number that is being entered by the user. So let me just save this file and try running this code now. So we will take the base number as 3 and then the exponent number as 4, and then when we press enter it says 81. So guys, the return type over here is double, that is why we are getting the decimal number over here. Let me just run this code once again. We will check 2, that is the base number, and exponent is 5 over here. Let me press enter. As you can see, result is 32. We will confirm this result in the calculator as well. So the expression over here will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So over here equal to, so as you can see 32 is the answer. 5 times we have multiplied the base number, that is 2, by itself. So guys, this is another way in order to find the power of the two numbers. Either you can use the for loop or you can use the power method from the math library. So guys, practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different output. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is a Java program to display factors of a given number in Java. So stay tuned.